let's take a look at finding the equation of a quadratic that's been described to us rather than just given the graph for it. So in this case, we want to find the equation of the quadratic whose graph cuts the x-axis at 4 and -3, and which passes through the point 2, -20. Then we want to give our answer in the form of y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Now we're going to do this step last, so we're going to focus on the information that's been given. So sometimes it can help to quickly just sketch this information down so we can get a representation of what it looks like if you can't do it in your mind. So let's just very quickly sketch this information down on our graph. We know that it cuts the x-axis at 4 and -3, so it'll be over here somewhere and over here somewhere. We know that it goes through the point 2, -20. So that'll be down here somewhere in space. And we also know that the vertex, due to the properties of symmetry, have to be directly in between these two, so somewhere down here. Because it's going below, it means that my quadratic has to go below through here. The vertex has got to be before this y-axis due to my symmetry properties. So it's going to look something like that, very roughly. Now, what I can see here with this point in here of 2, -20, I've got two roots and a coordinate. So the easiest way to represent this initially will be in the format of my factorized form. So my x minus p and my x minus q. So I need to substitute my roots in here. So this will be opposite sign of my two roots. So it'll be plus 3, because that's opposite -3, and then take 4. So now I need to use this coordinate here to determine what my a is, because I know that when my x is equal to 2, that my y is equal to -20. So from here, I'd substitute these values in. So -20 will equal a at 2 plus 3 and 2 take 4. So if we simplify that, that'll be 5, that'll be -2, so this will be -10a. So therefore my a will equal +2. So that way I can substitute this 2 back into my original function, and I've found the function of the quadratic that I've got here drawn. So y equals 2, x plus 3, and x take 4. The only thing I haven't got now is it's not in the format of y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So I now need to expand this brackets here to represent it in this format. So let's start doing that. So our y is going to be, it'll be x squared plus 3x take 4x is take x, and then take 12. And then multiply everything by 2. So therefore my y is 2x squared, take 2x, not plus, take 24. So when you're given a description of the graph, if you can't visualize that in your head, that's okay. Start by quickly drawing a sketch of the information down first, and that'll help you determine how to actually find the original equation. Once you've found the equation, remember, you can rearrange this, expand it, factorize it to represent it in the format that they've asked you to represent it in.